Hi everyone! Welcome to my unboxing and review of the NUFEBS Q25 Solar Security Camera. You can get this product on Amazon for about $60. Check out the link in the description. The camera comes with a solar panel, screws and a user manual. The user manual tells you everything you need to know to set up the camera. Connecting the camera with your Wi-Fi network is pretty easy and only takes a few seconds. If you want to use the solar panel, you just have to plug it in. The camera works with the free TRIS Home app, and if you insert a micro SD card you can watch video recordings. You can also purchase the cloud service instead of using a micro SD card. Installing the camera and the solar panel is very easy and only takes a few minutes. The camera is very easy to control with the app. The motion detection and push notifications work without any issues. The video quality during the day and during the night is pretty good. I tested the camera for about a week and I think it's a very good product. It is very easy to set up, the app works pretty good, and thanks to the rechargeable battery and solar panel, it works all the time and I don't have to worry about a nearby power outlet. So if you are looking to upgrade your home security with an affordable solar security camera, I would recommend the NUFEBS Q25 Solar Security Camera. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.